dark in here. I'm trying to see how best I can do it. Maybe I'll try to edit it to make it look a little brighter. But yeah, it's sunny outside. It's ridiculously sunny outside. So I'm guessing that's why there's like a shadow in the car. But anyways, I hope you guys can kind of see me some way, somehow. Let me see if I can fix this some way better, maybe. I don't know. I guess it's the best I can get it at. First of all, I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everybody's doing great. I am tired. If you can tell by now, my eyes are all red. Makeup's looking a mess. I'm just coming back from work. I mean, I'm going home now from work. I know you guys haven't seen me in forever, like literally forever. And I need to stop that. I need to control that, because it looks like I've been coming on and, you know, disappearing for a little bit for quite some time now. I take fault. I take responsibility for that. It's totally my fault. I should do better, and I'm gonna try my best to do better. No fault of yours. You guys are amazing. You guys check on me when you can. Some of you just comment on my Instagram, you know, pictures and ask questions, and I respond when I can. There's just been a lot going on lately. I mean, in the past few weeks or a month or two. I just moved also from my original place, or my previous place. The process, I'm still in the process of, you know, a whole lot of movement, okay? So because of that, I haven't been able to put myself together in terms of recording videos. It takes a lot, as you guys know. If you're YouTubers, you do know what I'm talking about. It takes a lot. It takes a lot of setting up. And if you're moving a whole lot, there is no way you can actually have like a setup. Not an excuse whatsoever, because a lot of people do vlog, a lot of people do carry cameras everywhere. But I'm telling you, my life has been chaotic for some time now. That is not even a conducive environment for it. It's not a conducive time either, for the right time for me to be recording videos. I've even been slacking on makeup out there, even doing makeup on people. I have been slacking in that area as well. It's just been work, and even change in work as well. There's a lot of changes that's been going on. I do have some good stuff that has gone on too in my life, personal life as well. At this point, I would like my private life private, as it should be. If I want it public, or I'm ready to go public with it, I will go public with it. So I hope you guys do respect that decision. I will definitely keep you guys updated. Hey, you guys are family, okay? Not physically present in my life, but I definitely will keep you guys updated on what goes on in my life, because you guys do invest time in your lives to watch me record whatever I have to say. So I will give you guys that respect, and I will update you if need be at the right time, but not right now. Right now, I need to get home and wipe off this, because it's getting a mess now. It's been a long day. It's been a long day and some crazy heat, and so definitely this makeup got to come off. I need to wash my face. I need to take this off. I need to take a shower. I need to clean up and refresh up. But anyways, the reason why I'm here today, hopefully I'm not boring you guys already. I know it's been forever, okay? And I know the last video I did upload was, I believe it was a giveaway video. And there's been a few people who've been like, taking part in it. I would say my subscriber count definitely went up. There's a goal I wanted to reach. I still haven't reached that goal yet. Notwithstanding, that's why I didn't have like a time frame for the giveaway. If you realize, I did not say it ends at any time whatsoever. But then again, I do understand that it's taken a while, and it's pretty unfair for you guys, for those who have actually taken part in the giveaway. Notwithstanding that, I really would also like to be fair to myself, and kind of have like this balance going on. So I know it's been forever. I am gonna look at the participants and then see if everybody followed the rules. If you followed the rules, hey, I'm gonna mention a giveaway winner. It was supposed to be 2 winners for the soft boxes. If you want to know what exactly the rules were, if you haven't taken part in it, go back to my previous. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. I had to call that, cut through it. But what I was saying was, if you haven't participated in the giveaway, You have every right to do that, because today all I'm gonna do is just go through the participants by the end of today and figure out who I'm gonna give this to. I don't know if I want to do it randomly with an, random.org or whatever the softwares are, but I do know I want to choose according to who did what. If I do it randomly, then it's like it's gonna pick anybody regardless. So I'm just gonna choose according to the rules and who followed what rules. So if you know you didn't follow the rules, don't expect to win. If I don't come back with a video by the end of this week, the video is just gonna come like this one. So I'm just gonna come and strictly just say who the winner is, and that's it. And then I'll, communicate with whoever it is. So, with that being said, I'm gonna announce the first winner. I'm not gonna do the two like I initially wanted to do. I'm gonna do the first one to, by the end of this week. I'm gonna upload it so everybody knows who the first one is. And then if you haven't taken part in it, you have every chance to do that. Right after telling you who the winner is, I'm going to tell you when the next winner, which is the final winner, is going to be announced. So then everybody who probably missed this one would have a chance to, partake in it. I did mention though that it's United States only. So please, I'm sorry if you're not in the United States. I'm sorry. I'm going to come up with some kind of giveaway again. I'm getting some things together for a few months to come, and then I can definitely get regular again. Thank you so much, guys, for your patience. Thank you so much for everybody still commenting on my videos. Thank you so much to everybody who is sharing my videos. Thank you to everybody who's still messaging me, emailing me, asking me questions, checking on me, following me on all my social media. If you haven't followed me on any of those, do make sure you do that. Because I try my best to be active on there as much as I can. So you can definitely keep in touch with me through these other, mediums. With that being said, I have to go. It's pretty hot. I don't want to be recording too much while driving today. I need to go refresh myself and get myself together. So with that, I'll talk to you guys in a couple days. I will definitely have your winner for you, your first winner. And then we can keep this rolling. Like I said, this is going to be a quick one, so I'm out. Literally, I'm out.